Guys, today is Memorial Day, but it feels so different. There's no gathering and I'm staying home. But I heard one of my favorite restaurants opens for takeout, also with a curbside pickup option. So I just ordered a bunch of stuff. I went to pick up and no contact payment. And here's the food. Let me show you guys. Let's open it. The total is $27.83, 4 items. Wow, this is Sichuan 凉粉. Let's open up. Look at that. So this is made of bean noodles. Wow, smells so good. Put this away. And this is the next one. Wow, it's pancakes, egg pancakes. And this one's rice, braised pork rice. Taiwan style with braised egg. Put here, take it out. Wow, that's a lot, right? How much is the rice? Rice only $7.95, $8. So rice, some vegetables. And what's next? This is a Chongqing noodle. The good thing, they separate the sauce. Put this away. This is the sauce. There's our noodles with chickpeas and peanuts. And the topping, the pork topping. Okay, here's our sauce. Wow, let's pour the sauce. That's our noodles. So that there are 4 dishes I ordered. Let's put away all the containers. And let me wash my hands. Okay, I'm ready to try it. This one's egg pancake. See the egg piece here. And a little bit soggy. I guess it's been sitting there. Flavor's good. And you can just pan fry a little bit, make it more crispy. And the next one, let's try the Sichuan 凉粉. This is a mung bean noodles with hot sauce and peanuts. Sichuan flavor. Yeah, this place sells all the noodle dishes, wontons, and small dishes. It's like small bites. Let's try it. Very garlicky. Spicy and sour. Lots of flavor. I'm looking for. Have some peanuts. You guys know I'm peanut lover, right? I love peanuts. Very good. Delicious. I also have a recipe on my channel. Sichuan 凉粉. That's good. And this one's a Chongqing 小面, Chongqing noodles with chickpeas. There's also ground pork topping and peanuts, some lettuce. Let me try some for you guys. Chickpeas, peanuts. Very delicious. It also has the peanut sauce. It's very similar to dandan noodles, but wet, has the soup. Chongqing noodles. Peanuts again. I love it. And chickpeas, delicious, soft. Next, rice. So this is braised pork rice. You can see the pork piece. You see it? Diced pork. And this was a braised egg. And here's some pickles. Let's try it. Pickle crunchy. Braised pork, very soft. Has a lot of flavors in it. Braised egg. Same flavor like the pork. Very delicious. Bok choy. It's a great lunch for Memorial Day. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I know this year it's very different. We cannot get together with the family, friends. And let's also take a moment to remember all the people who sacrificed for this country, and also remember the people we lost to the virus, and also people who still are affected by the virus. And let's cherish the people around us, our friends, family, our neighbors. Let's enjoy every day, right? Life is precious, life also so fragile. And till next time, thank you guys for watching. See you.